Mr. Kidwai, honest answer. What was your first reaction when you heard that it's going to be not Priyanka, not Rahul, but KL Sharma from the biggest Gandhi bastion of Amethi?
Thank you, Pooja. Pooja, I was very clear that Rahul Gandhi would not contest from Amethi. That I've been telling Rajdeep Sardesai in your shows. Simply because the Congress, Rahul Gandhi was far from prepared from contesting from Amethi.
Yes.
Amethi was a difficult thing, not only because of opponent, but caste equations and the past history, etc. Raebareli, relatively, Pooja, is far more, easy. It remains to be seen whether BJP will stick to, candidate that they have announced yesterday, or they'll bring some, they'll bring some surprise. Though time is very little. More important thing, Pooja, the Congress and Rahul Gandhi have to figure out what is the point of contesting from 2 seats, because he will have to eventually, subject to, of course, his victory, he would have to concede, leave 1 seat and then bring Priyanka Gandhi. So what is the point of complicating it? If Priyanka Gandhi is to be, Sonia Gandhi's successor from Raebareli, then she should have been brought in the day one. Now, the logic is that because she's a star campaigner, etc. But this is something, party should have figured it out, because Lok Sabha elections are on schedule and they are like well spread. So everyone knew when, what is going to happen when. So therefore, I think it is little, on a jarring note actually. And this whole, thing about suspense and a big drama. Congress
so much hype, exactly. I think that's what you made a good point. There was so much hype, excitement. Who is it going to be? Is there going to be a swap? And these are the final results. Stay on with me, Mr. Kidwai, because Abhishek and Samarth continue to be with us. Samarth, let's first come to you to understand Raebareli. What is the going to be the mood like? Because that's where Rahul Gandhi, we are told, is en route right now. Are they ensuring it's going to be a big show of strength in the Gandhi bastion?
Well, obviously, the local leadership has planned it as well, the show of strength by the Congress party, because we have seen the flags being erected around the Congress party, and they have also planned the grand welcome of Rahul Gandhi all around. So that's been the sense for the Rahul Gandhi, and if you can clearly sense from the party office, then local leaders have started coming here around, and in a way, they are having a discussion like when Rahul Gandhi is coming here. And if you see the visual side right here, they are gathering. See one person right here erecting a Congress flag right over the terrace here. You can clearly see this particular visual, which signifies a lot of excitement among the Congress workers. The way they are erecting the Congress flags all around the Central Congress office in Raebareli. We can show you the flags around the walls, around the trees, even around the boundaries as well. So this is the excitement and enthusiasm of the party workers right here, who have waited for long, because the BJP announced the candidate for Amethi before, but the candidate for Raebareli by the BJP was announced yesterday, and same was the policy for the Congress party, as they were expecting Priyanka Gandhi or somebody from the Gandhi family, but finally their demand were met, and finally you can clearly see they are in joy, they are celebrating with the flowers, with the flags, and also they are saying that there is no competition left, at least in Raebareli, and it's going to be a clear-cut victory for Rahul Gandhi from Raebareli. Though also questions are being raised on social media as well, like why Congress party left Amethi. It's a big question mark. But
and that's
they
a
have
fair
been
question.
Here, so
even for the supporters, the cadre, those wanting perhaps a good fight, a strong fight, and that's when to prove. Let people decide who they want, and that's not happening as much for Amethi, where right now Abhishek Mishra is. Abhishek, Sahomat, Daromat was the big slogan in January for the Congress party. Rahul Gandhi himself had made that post on social media. But for now, does it look like कि ये डर है हार का, that has led to them taking this decision?
Well, certainly, and this decision has come up with a lot of questions internally for the Congress party, for the cadre, for the workers who are optimistic that the Gandhis will take this political plunge here. But the list is saying that KL Sharma will be that eventual candidate. Let me show you the environment around. We are here at the office of the Amethi, and you see there are some workers who are coming here. they're expecting the nomination to be filed by 12 in the afternoon. So that is where the sentiment is looking. But let's speak to some of them. क्या लग रहा है आपको? अब चुनाव में केएल शर्मा जी हैं, फर्क देख रहे हैं या इस समय क्या मांगे आपकी कि चुनाव कैसा जाएगा? ये
नहीं, बहुत अच्छा जाएगा चुनाव, बहुत अच्छा जाएगा। और उन हमारी मोहतरमा सम्मानित सांसद महोदया जो गुरूर की भाषा बोलती थी, घमंड की, राहुल गांधी चले गए, राहुल गांधी भाग गए, तो राहुल जी ने, प्रियंका जी ने, सोनिया जी ने उनके सामने एक ऐसा मैसेज दिया है कि हम भाग नहीं गए हैं, हम एक अपने कार्यकर्ता को तुम्हारे सामने ला करके ला रहे हैं और अमेठी की जनता उसको
कार्यकर्ता चुनौती दे सकता है स्मृति ईरानी को?
बिल्कुल देगा। ये कार्यकर्ता 42 साल से कार्यकर्ता है।
आप बताइए, आपको क्या लगता है, क्या राहुल गांधी नहीं लड़ रहे, इससे आप लोगों में थोड़ा सा उत्साह कम भी है?
उत्साह वही है और यहाँ से केएल शर्मा जीतेंगे, पक्का।
केएल शर्मा के साथ में क्या क्या चीजें हैं जो उनके सकारात्मक है? क्या कहें?
देखिए, वो तो
जानते हैं यहाँ के बारे में
जी, हम बहुत समय से केएल शर्मा जी जुड़े हुए हैं और बहुत अच्छा लड़ेंगे। और स्मृति ईरानी जी जो है, अपने जो उन्होंने चैलेंज किया था, उनका बराबर मुकाबला करेंगे।
चैलेंज की बात हो रही है, लेकिन आपको क्या लगता है, आप कल भी दावा कर रहे थे, आज क्या उत्साह है और अभी भी उम्मीद है कुछ? क्या
देखिए, जो उत्साह कार्यकर्ताओं में को तो डाउन होगा ही, कुछ नाम बड़ा होता है। और केएल शर्मा जी उसी परिवार के सदस्य हैं, ऐसा नहीं 30 वर्षों से गांधी परिवार की सेवा कर रहे हैं और लड़ेंगे तो चुनाव यहाँ से जीतेंगे।
लेकिन उत्साह क्यों कम है? वर्कर्स इतने ठंडे क्यों हो गए? क्योंकि आप उम्मीद कर रहे हैं।
थोड़ा सा वर्करों को हमको समझाना पड़ेगा। और अभी वर्कर आ रहे हैं, सबको टाइम दिया गया है कि 12-1 बजे पर्चा दाखिला है।
ऐसा तो नहीं स्मृति ईरानी के लिए बहुत आसान कर दिया?
नहीं, कत्ता ही नहीं। थोड़ा
ये शर्मा भी उतना वोट पाएंगे?
नहीं, देखिए, झूठ नहीं बोलना है हमको। जहाँ राहुल गांधी 3 लाख से जीते, 4 लाख से जीते, वहाँ केएल शर्मा 2 लाख से जीतेंगे।
कम हो जाएगा जी?
हाँ, जीतेंगे, निश्चित है।
These are the workers, they are saying that, yes, indeed, they were expecting Rahul Gandhi. But even with KL Sharma, they are still very optimistic and claiming that the victory margin could be lower down. But Smriti will not have this seat anymore, and this is what they're claiming.